All right, we're going to go ahead and open up the 11-piece quarter drive SAE standard fractional American sizing RPT rounding prevention technology from GripEdge tools. And right off the bat, I can tell you the packaging is fantastic. It's got some information on the back of it. It gives you the sizing that's involved in the set. It gives you some information on how this tool actually works and how it's designed different than any other conventional hex. Lets you know that right there. Is to take the place of your conventional hex, use this set first. So when we open the box, we've got a really nice little bag of stickers here. You've got the GripEdge logo. You've got the GripEdge font logo, so that's really nice. And then it's got a couple of stickers that also tell you how this technology kind of works. And I can tell you right off the bat, the fit and finish of this is just beautiful. It's on an aluminum rail. It's got the positive locking snap lock holders on there. One thing I do see right off the bat is it's got in the sizing, it's painted and engraved so you can easily identify what size you're reaching for. And it's got that little green line around the bottom, so it's got some traction if you're using your fingers to turn that tool. Super, really nice fit and finish. Beautiful aluminum rail. And that's the 11-piece quarter drive SAE RPT rounding prevention technology from GripEdge tools.